up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit, and welcome to another travel vlog. Today we are heading to Baler, and I'm with Ja. Finally, oh my gosh, ang dami nagsasabi na kailan ulit ang Chave vlog. Here it is. Ito na yun, guys. Ito na yun. And so, we made it here in Baler. It took us 8 hours drive.
Hello. Such a great driver, guys. I'm telling you. So, we were all sleeping and she was awake. Right? Especially this guy. He's been sleeping for 8 hours.
I like long drives. We're here at Nalu Surf Camp. Now, it's not a good weather. But we all here, we're safe. Happy. We're still gonna have fun even though the weather is not cooperating. Okay lang, GV pa din.
GV all the way with Chave.
Yes, with Chave. I'm not gonna vlog kasi
that much.
Like, yeah. Gusto ko lang GV lang. Sometimes you have to put your camera down.
Yeah, that's and true, man.
Yeah. And enjoy. Hindi lahat kailangan documented. So I'm sorry. I apologize.
On social
As
media.
much as I want to share it with you guys,
she needs her time. We need our time to have fun.
Chibog time! Yay! Thanks, guys, for being supportive. So, we were supposed to surf, but then it started raining hard. And we're all hungry.
Even your camera's foggy.
Yeah, my camera's foggy. I apologize for that. It's already 2:35 and we just realized that we're all hungry. We're in search for good food here in Baler. Grabe, super lakas ng rain, guys. I'm sorry if it's foggy. Let me clear it up for you. See?
Also, the window, wipe it. Wipe it from the inside. Yeah.
So ghetto. Anyari?
Super fun. First time to push a car ever in my life.
Oh, really?
First time ever.
So I was waiting outside the restaurant. I don't know what's going on, and apparently, yung car lumubog. Since it's raining hard, naging soft yung sand. At lumubog yung car, so they had to push. In fairness sa kanila, ang galing nila. We hope that it'll stop raining soon because we wanna go surfing, swimming, and enjoy the beach. Gutom na ako. Chibog time! I got liempo. In fact, but adobo. We're gonna eat using our dirty hands for extra flavor.
Your version.
All of us decided to swim, but as soon as the rain stopped, a lot of people went out of their hotels and swim na sila. We're just gonna take some photo shoot for the gram, and enjoy, even if it's so crowded.
Peekaboo, 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 peekaboo. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Look at the weather. It looks so apocalyptic. There's so many people.
The next day.
Baler, day 2. They're all outside surfing, taking photos. I'm here stuck in this room because I need to rest a little. I get monthly dysmenorrhea, that's why. Of all the days, yung may trip pa talaga. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick nap first and join my friends in a bit. Chibog time!
I got chicken.
What did you get? I got bulalo barbecue. Cheers. What did you get?
Chicken and mango shake.
Since it is bright and sunny, we decided to go to Dimatubalao waterfalls or the Mother Falls. We said it's 45 minutes to get there. Ano ba yan? Hopefully, right now it's 3:30. Sana makarating kami agad.
I dream it all the time, girl. Waking up warm in your arms and without a care. No money ain't a problem, girl. Just give me the time and the place.
Mother Falls didn't happen for us today. Bawal daw magpasok na ng tao by 4 p.m. because the trek is quite hard. It's not for beginners. And yesterday it's been raining the whole day. Yeah, slippery and mud. It's not advisable. So now, we are going to surf. Since it's the long weekend, sobrang daming tao, guys. As in, look at this. The waves are not that high. It's good for beginners. That's a good thing for me because I'm not a pro surfer. Yeah. Kaso ang daming tao. Feeling ko madami ako mababangga though. Good thing it's a beautiful day today here at Nalu Surf Camp. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour because I haven't done that yesterday. I was supposed to give you guys a tour of the room, but then our room is kind of messy already. We are staying here at the deluxe. It has 5 beds. Oh no, 4 beds, but good for 5 people. This is the main building. It has the restaurant, reception. Also, there's a function area. If you guys are planning to throw a party, I'm walking towards the dorm rooms or the fan rooms, I guess. It's so cute. There's the bathroom. This is the lounging area. There's no view of the ocean, but it's alright. There's a lot of bungalows. I didn't even realize this until now. We are hungry, so we decided to have an early dinner. This is what I got. Chicken in a salad, grilled veggies, buko shake. They are having a photo shoot. What up, people? What up? Because now is the perfect time to take photos because it's golden hour. Makes your skin look golden.
'Cause you and I, we're good together. You always get me feeling better, and I know you stay by my side.
It is our last day here in Baler. We were supposed to go to Mother Falls. We all woke up at 6, but then we ended up sleeping. I think Richard and Janina are surfing, fake surfing for the photos. So we decided to just take a photo around Nalu Surf Camp before we leave.
Wicked and weakness. You gotta see this.